6. Today I'm going to be using Prodigy to help me teach you guys the skills of unit price. So, this one says unit price is the cost per box. Like 3 boxes is $18. To be able to solve this, you need the total price, which is 18, and the number. And this question says to round to the nearest cent, which means that we are going to type in how to do it, which is $18 divided by 3 boxes, which if you have a calculator, turn it on, or just divide it normally, come on. But if you're in 7th grade, then yeah, you may want to do this properly and use a calculator. Anyway, I'm not going to use a pencil for this, because we should all know 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Come on. $6.00. And just in case you can't divide, I'm going to use one simple method for you guys. 18 divided by 3. 3 can't go into 1, but it goes 18 6 times. That would be 18 exactly. You subtract it, you get 0. Woohoo. That means you have 0 cents. Which there is no remainder. Okay? That's what it means. So this is $6.00. So, and that's how you get right. Anyway, next we got a promotion selling 10 chocolate bars for $50. Again, round to the nearest cent. This one is easy, especially if you're a 5th grader, or if you know multiplication, period. You should know this. It's 5. Come on, get this right. Now, it doesn't say anything about cents, so that means that it can evenly go into it. And that's how you do it. I also learned a new spell, which I'm going to be using. In Prodigy, you have had to get stars. You open chest. We got something. This little elf thing is called Newt. I'm currently doing the forest quest. There we go. Get stars in the jar.
Harry!
This time with Prom Prickle, we are going to use our conjure.
Harry!
Anyway, so it says 6 pounds of soil costs $16. Well, let me tell you something. $16, 6 pounds. This is 2 points. Let's see. 16 divided by 6 equals 2 point, infinite 6s. But again, we need to round to the nearest cent. So 2.6, since we're rounding to the nearest cent, it would be $2. Or not. 2.60 seconds. Don't take after me. That was an example of what not to do. Anyway, this one's 48. And then we divide it by 6. And what do we get? Whoop-de-doo! We got $8! You want to learn how to do this? Yeah, that's kind of what you're here for. 48 divided by 6. 6 can't go into 4, but it can go 48 8 times. You'll want to know why, because 6 times 8 equals 48, which means that this is 48. And that means that we are going to subtract this to get 0. That is right. It is perfectly. There is no remainder. Also, you could just use your calculator. That works too. Anyway, let's see if we got this right. That was good. We got it right. This is not very strong, is it? But Condra is. Anyway, a promotion selling 10 toothbrushes for $20. That means that... Oh. Wait. That's a good deal. It's $2 a toothbrush. I don't know why you would want to buy 10, but that's a good deal. Ish. Yeah, you're paying half the price. Anyway, we won, so let's continue on. Okay, this one's gonna be harder. 8 for $10. So, we got our 10, and we dividing it by 8. It equals... Hang on. According to my calculator, because I'm... Okay. So, here's what it's telling me. We all know that you divide blah blah blah, you divide that by the cost. So, 8, 10. We all know this. We don't, honestly. So, what we're gonna do, since 8 doesn't go into 10, going once. Can't go into 1, but I could go in 10 once. Gonna do a decimal. And luckily, we can have as many zeros as we want. Okay, we're gonna subtract this. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Drop down our point 0. That looks like a... We got 20. Now, I am going to... 20 goes into 8s. Let's see here. 2.5 times, but that would just be 25. And you see where this is going, right? It's 1.25. Honestly, this is 7th grade math. 7th or 8th grade math. So this means that you should probably be using a trusty, dusty calculator. Just kidding. It's not that trusty at all. Nor dusty. Yeah, your beep bop beep. Yeah. It'll tell you what to do. So, cast this. Yeah, I did that backwards. Apparently, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, don't. Can't do heat. Okay, now we're getting into number lines. So, yeah. This is gonna be, easy again. This is really easy, just fill in the number lines. You've been doing it since kindergarten, but now we're working with negative and positive numbers. 0 is neutral. Positives are positives. But you know how normally 4 is greater than 3? Well, it's reverse in the negative side. 3 is greater than 4 because it's closer to 0. That didn't do much. Oh well, we did good. Okay, I want you guys to try this. Before you try this problem, I want you to try this. Jay is selling.
What do you mean you can't say Anne?
Jay is selling, let's say, 5 toothbrushes for
I bet you can say your alphabet if you want.
$12.
Say Anne is a nectarine and nightingale.
What is the unit price? Write that down on a paper. I want you guys to actually try this out. You can go into other parts of the video. I'm not going to say this for you. I actually want you to try this out for yourself and to get someone to check it for you. Anyway, I also want you to write, make a line after that. And you can pause if you need to, duh. And write down this is what I'm about to tell you. Fill in the missing numbers. So draw this number line. But you don't need this part. Just draw the 0 part. Okay, just draw this part. And I want you to go through this.
Fill in all missing.
So yeah, do that. You're going to be filling in these 2 numbers. I really hope you know you can do this. Because you can. You can do anything you put your mind to. As long as you try. So let's go. I got that right. So I really hope that you can get this right too. I really think you can do it. I want you to practice those 2 questions. And yeah, just have an epic day. Bye.